In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Zoomato coupon promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for the Zoomato coupon promo code. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called Grab1. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to say, to get, let's say, this one with 50% discount, all you need to do is select show coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code that you can simply copy. And you can use this promo code in order to get a 50% discount on your next order. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called WordPenny. And as you can see right here, we have listed other promo codes. For example, right here, if you want to get this one with up to 50% discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code, and this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this one on your next purchase to get the 50% discount to any order that you make. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.